Hi, this is Zach Cabria with Waterworks, and this is Get Started 2, how to import your customer list. Importing your customer list is a very important first step, and to do this, you want to look up top here at the tabs and click under Admin. Now this opens up a page, and you're going to look here, and you'll see Import Setup Tools. Under that, the first box is Customers, so that's going to be the next place you click. So this opens up a page. As you can see, you're going to upload a file. But first, you want to click a template here to download. So once you do this, you'll download a zip file, which you're going to click to open up. So this is just a template, and as you open it, you'll see we've got a Word doc as well as an Excel file. The Word doc will give you instructions on everything you need to do to make this process simpler and how to do it. But for now, we're just going to open up the Excel file. And notice it is a CSV, so that is something to take into account. And that's very important because that's the format we're going to want to save it in as well as upload it in. So this is the file that we've been provided. It's the pre-existing template, and it's got two names here. As you can see, it's got various fields. But notice here, there's a couple of things to note which are very important. The first thing is the stars here. Now, the ones with stars are the ones that absolutely need to be filled in. These are required fields. So if they aren't, then there will be errors. Secondly, if you'll notice up top here, in this particular instance, we don't have any dates. But if there were any dates, we would need to ensure that the year is in 4 digits. Otherwise, that'll be another error. And lastly, if you're importing if you had a previous or old existing account number and you're importing it from a pre-existing provider, you can use an alternate customer ID, and that way you can have all of your old customer data being imported. Great, so pretty much you'll delete these two fields, and you should have an Excel file with multiple people, which is, I'm sure, very long. So instead of these two fields, you're just going to cut and paste those in, and I'm not going to save it, but you're pretty much just going to save it. And once you go back into this, you're going to give a description. I'm going to call it test. And you're gonna open this up. And right now I've got my customer list, which I've just put in 3 names, but you should have a very long customer list at this point, and you're just gonna upload that. And to upload that, just click here. So that should take a second. And great, so once you look down here, you'll see test, which was the name we've given it, CSV, which was the file type, that's very important, and when it was uploaded. And here it says status uploaded. Awesome, that's what we want to see. But it's not done. The last step here is you want to click right here, which is import data. And then click OK. This will take a couple of seconds here. And there we go, import successful. So it's shown we have total number of records processed 3, which are the 3 people that I've put in. For you, it might be a lot larger, most likely will be. Successfully imported is 3. Invalid records 0 because I did do everything right. I made sure I put in all the fields, and it completed very fast. So everything looks good. Great, so you see here success. And sometimes you might have done something wrong, and what'll happen is it won't come up successful, and this will be red. So to see what the issues were, look down here, view report, and you're gonna click that, and it'll show, for us, since it was successful, you'll see success and no errors. But if you haven't had successes, you'll see why. And then you can go back and fix that. So there you go. We've just imported all our customer data, and that's a very important step. So this is Zach Cabria with Waterworks, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.